I'm going to invite next a platinum star from India who's going to share his journey with us. He's been with us for the last 6 years. All right. Well, I don't want to break the secret. Let him share his story. But guys, his journey so similar with so many of us. All right. I want you to hear it. All right. So please help me welcome the platinum star, Praneshwar Prashad Shyam.
Good morning, family. Warm greetings. My name is Praneshwar and I belong to a small yet beautiful town, Ranchi in northern India. Kiran came in my life 6 years back. In fact, when I started this business, I was very introvert, shy. In fact, I used to stammer even. Technically, absolutely unfit for an industry like this. In fact, when I realized this was about networking, I was scared to the core. I was judging myself, I was judging this industry, but my challenges and dreams were always bigger than those judgments. I belong to a middle class guy. In fact, I've been working in jobs since when I was in college, just to ensure I earn some money so that I can put some food on the table. I thought once I get a proper job in MNC, life will be sorted, things will change. So after completing my engineering, of course I applied for a job, I got it even. But after investing quite a good number of years in that corporate, I felt I was deceived. And I realized that this is for sure not gonna lead me to the destination I had planned for. So ultimately, I had to choose between a difficult problem and a difficult solution. I went for the latter one, and I accepted this industry, as a God's plan, and and a belief in that magic that was about to happen. In fact, none of my family members were in favor of this industry. All my close friends, they gave me suggestions against this industry. But somewhere I could see, somewhere they could not realize the magnitude and the intensity of outcome that I would pull out from this industry. Maybe like any other middle class family, people are scared of starting a business because somewhere they're sure of a job, or maybe they find job more comfortable, or maybe more safe, secure. But I knew the reality. By then, I had invested sufficient time in the corporate, so I knew the reality. And ultimately, I jumped into the industry with a lot of faith and a lot of belief, because the kind of support system which I saw really convinced me. But journey was not easy for me. I had to invest extra hours to fight my inhibition, to fight my communication skills that has to be upgraded for this industry. What worked out for me was consistency. I don't remember a single day I would have taken off from the work in the very first 5 years. Not even a single day. When it was raining, I was on ground. When it was chilly cold, I was on ground. When it was hot sun, I was on ground. When I was sick, I was on ground. No family function, no celebration. I don't remember a single training, single camp, single VCs out of missed in first 5 years of my journey, because that was really like oxygen to me. So of course, those consistency and hard work ultimately paid off. Even God has to say yes to my hard work. Ultimately, business worked out. I remember those days when I saw my mom crying even for our own home, because when we were growing up, we never had our own home. We used to rent out a small place where the entire family used to live. Today, I'm a proud son to my mom. Kiran has made me so capable that I can get her home anywhere she points finger in the world map. And not only financially, Kiran has also upgraded me, changed me as an individual. Today, I'm no more the same old, worried and scared human being. Today's the same old Praneshwar has changed to a level wherein who can also help others fulfill and achieve their own dreams. So I've not only earned money, but today I feel rich with that gratitude. When I started this business, people told me 3UV left, 3UV right is equals to $250. But today I've realized it's not only $250, but along with that, it is 3UV left, 3UV right is also I love you. That is much more important. So it doesn't matter what people were telling. I kept going. Doesn't matter what challenges were there. I kept going. Doesn't matter how many rejections I faced. I kept going. Doesn't matter what media and newspaper was talking. I kept going. Doesn't matter how severe the pain was. How many times I was knocked out. I kept going. The only thing which I did was I kept going. I kept going. I kept going. So only one advice, guys. Only one advice I'll give before I leave. If you have a dream and you're serious about it, the only thing that matters is your intent, intensity, and consistency. Rest, this platform will take care of. So keep going, keep going, keep going. Thank you. Love you all.
Like what Praneshwar said, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Guys,
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
and he said, in the first 5 years of his business, he never took a break. He kept going. He kept going. He kept going. And that's why he is where he is today. Praneshwar, we are very proud of you. And I'm sure your family is proud of you. Your teams are proud of you. And I wish you all the best. All right? You're a platinum star today. You will become a VC one day. You will become a V partner, AVP, and ultimately a V partner, inshallah. All right? Congratulations to you, Praneshwar.
Congratulations once again, and with your never give up attitude, I'm very sure you'll make it big in this company.
And guys, when you hear about all the testimonies of all the leaders that come up here, all right, they kept saying one thing. They were in their job, and then ultimately they joined the business. All right? Guys, there's nothing wrong in working in a job. All right? A job, J-O-B. What does J-O-B stand for?
Just over broke.
Just over broke, journey of the broke, whatever. But guys, remember one thing. We are not against jobs. No one is. Because ultimately, jobs do put food. If you want luxury, you want comfort, then not many jobs in the world can pay you the kind of money you want to get paid. Right? That's why we become entrepreneurs.
And with an open heart to explore whatever options comes to you, because I believe so much in master plan. The moment when you're looking, you will get it.
Exactly. Congratulations again, Praneshwar. It's so inspiring listening to you. Okay?